Kilauea just produced another spectacular episode of lava fountaining on Hawaii's Big Island, ejecting fountains of lava to heights of as much as 200 meters or 656 feet. This record-setting event occurred alongside some minor tephra emissions, seen here as many brownish-gray particles. The associated eruption plume rose to an altitude of up to 25,000 feet or 7,620 meters, resulting in the issuance of a volcanic ash advisory. This all occurred across Kilauea's 48th eruptive episode of sustained tall lava fountaining since December 23rd of 2024, with this episode lasting for approximately 9 hours. It was a mostly below-average sized eruptive episode and emplaced an estimated 5.6 million cubic meters of lava, further decreasing Kilauea's caldera floor depth. All eruptive activity occurred within Kilauea's summit caldera, so no structures were ever at any risk from advancing lava flows as these remain solely within the caldera. For the 5th episode in a row, only the north vent produced sustained lava fountains, while the south vent, despite producing many precursory small lava flows, only produced very weak and intermittent spattering. The rain which fell didn't really have any meaningful effect on the observed eruptive activity other than hindering USGS web camera views via reduced visibility. Kilauea since December 23rd of 2024 has been undergoing predictable cycles of activity which follow this pattern, which always ends in hours-long periods of sustained tall lava fountaining. This type of cyclical activity has only been recorded at Kilauea 3 other times, but none of these produce so many distinct episodes of lava fountaining in a row, so what is ongoing is record-setting, as it just surpassed the 47 episodes the Pu'u'o'o event produced between 1983 and 1986. During the 18 months since episodic activity began at Kilauea's summit in late 2024, the collapsed 2018 caldera floor segment has become an average of 99.4 meters or 326.1 feet shallower via the addition of 304.9 million cubic meters of molten rock, a truly impressive amount. Yet, it is unclear how much longer these eruptive episodes will continue to occur for, as there is a definite slow downward trend in monthly lava effusion volumes. However, if this trend hypothetically continues for a few more years, lava should completely refill the 2018 caldera collapse segment around or before the end of December 2028. Episode 48 seemingly took a bit longer to occur than the prior 3 eruptive episodes, and I owe this to 2 temporary slight tiltmeter decreases at Kilauea's summit, marking what in my interpretation were slight deflation events. However, I do not think that magma was going down rift or elsewhere. Instead, I think that the magma supply twice briefly paused. This is why Kilauea erupted on June 1st instead of May 29th. And now, here's a brief overview regarding the timeline of episode 48. Precursory lava effusion from the north vent became near continuous at around 3:45 a.m. local time on June 1st, but the sustained lava fountaining would not fully begin until nearly an hour later at 4:40 a.m. It then only took 30 minutes for lava fountaining heights to rise to 200 feet and another 10 minutes for that to rise to 350 feet. Peak lava fountains were subsequently reached at 5:50 a.m., and by that time, minor amounts of tephra and fine ash had fallen on a small segment of Highway 11, along with some nearby communities to the northeast. Afterwards, lava fountain heights continually decreased until they ceased altogether at 1:37 p.m. local time on June 1st, 2026. Although it is still way too early to guess when Kilauea's episode 49 might occur, if it does end up happening, it could happen anywhere in my opinion between June 10th, 2026 and July 4th, 2026. As a final note, I would like to thank this channel's patrons on Patreon and channel members on YouTube for supporting my work.